Hey beautiful people, if you want to earn $100 per day by doing affiliate marketing, this video is perfectly for you. Because in this video, I have listed 5 best affiliate programs which you can join, and at the end of the month you will be able to earn at least $100 in a day. And as you have seen in the thumbnail of this video, in this video I will show you actually 5 best affiliate networks which you can join, and at the end of the month you can earn a very good amount of money, at least $100 every single day by doing affiliate marketing. And this is the top 5 affiliate networks which I use in my personal daily life. And initially I will tell you how you can grow that, how you can promote your affiliate links, every single thing. Hello everyone, I am Tapesh from tapeshchowdhury.com, and in this video I will show you 5 best affiliate networks which you can join and you can earn very good amount of money. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I create videos on every single day regarding affiliate marketing, making money online, working from home, and lot other cool stuffs. And make sure you like this video because you will get a very good amount of value throughout the video. So to get started, initially first affiliate network is Amazon affiliates, Amazon associates. Okay, so if I tell about my story, my journey about affiliate marketing, I started Amazon affiliate network. So what is Amazon? And Amazon is world's #1 e-commerce platform, and people are trusting Amazon because of their past histories. Amazon is in the market from very long time, and if you give any links of Amazon, if you are providing solution, after that if you are recommending any product which is available on Amazon, people do buy because people have trust on Amazon. So initially what you have to do, you have to register on Amazon affiliate, and the most important part, after registering you will get one Stripe. You can generate affiliate link of any product, any page, or any category. This is very important. Okay, so if you are watching, if you are giving a content, if you are maybe something weight loss, if you are writing an article, maybe something how to lose weight, or maybe best watches, maybe men's clothing, anything. Okay, so you can literally copy the affiliate link. You can make, actually in Amazon you will get one Stripe bar by which you can make affiliate link of that particular page or the category or the product. So initially what you have to do, you have to register on Amazon associate, then you will get it will get automatically approved instantly. There is no other approval process, so it will system will automatically approve your affiliate account. You have to set up your bank account, bank details and all, then you are ready to go. The beauty of Amazon affiliate network is, for example, you have given a recommendation to anyone for a mobile, say something. So mobile ABC, maybe mobile anything, any product. So if the person visits on Amazon by using your link, and the person has changed his mind, he has not taken that mobile, but he has bought one TV or some other products, within 24 hours you will get the commission of that particular product that person the person bought from Amazon with the help of your link. So initially Amazon allows 24 hours of cookies. So within 24 hours, if anyone clicks on that link, within 24 hours, if anyone buys anything from Amazon website, anything means anything, no category restrictions, no product restrictions, anything, then the person, the creator of that content, the creator of that the promoter of that link will get benefited from Amazon associate, and Amazon will pay you for that. Okay, so second affiliate network which I joined, that's Clickbank. Okay, so initially when I was starting my career in affiliate marketing, I have joined Amazon affiliate, and it's actually a very beautiful Amazon network. Okay, you will get commission for anything. Okay, and after why I have switched back from Amazon to Clickbank. So in Clickbank, maximum of the products are digital products. in digital products, commissions are high. For example, in Amazon, you will get commission from 8% to 12%, or some categories are there where you will get 15% up to referral fees, up to 15% commission. But in Clickbank, if you are selling any digital product, you will get commissions up to 100%. See the beauty. If you are selling a product of $100, you will get straight $100 in commission for that particular product from Clickbank. This is the beauty. For example, you want to earn $100 in a day. Make a target, you want to earn $100 in a day. So for Amazon, if any product you are selling which is 10% of worth, 10% of affiliate commission is there for that particular product. So initially what you have to do, you have to make 10 sales, to 10 sales of $100 to generate $100 of revenue, affiliate commission. In case of Clickbank, if you are selling a product of maybe say $70 or maybe $80, if you are getting $50, so to make $100 every single day, you have just make two sales. Understand? This is the difference between Amazon and Clickbank. So in Clickbank, if you are selling, you will get a very good amount of commission because commission rates are high. And it will be my personal recommendation that go for high ticket products, because you have to put the same amount of energy, same amount of work, same amount of efforts every single day. And if you are selling high ticket products, high ticket affiliate products, then your commission becomes bigger. And at least the same, by doing same work, you can get very good amount of money. As I said, earning $100 in a single day, like it's not that much tough, of course, and the people are earning way more than that. Third affiliate network is Share a Sale. Share a Sale is a very good website, and there are a lot of companies. You will get a lot of reputed companies like GoDaddy, and some products were there, ClickFunnels also was there in Share a Sale back in 2016 or 15 16. Okay, so Share a Sale is a very good network, and they have very good amount of products, and they are mainly dealing with softwares, with different kind of tools, different kind of hosting providers, different other digital product, digital services. So Share Sale is a very good marketplace where you can pick up any of the product relevant to your niche, and you can showcase those products in front of your audience, in front of your the traffic or the visitors. So once they made any sale, you will get commission. And in Share Sale, the commission rate is little bit high as compared to Amazon as well, because these products are mainly services. For example, you are selling some services, maybe email software. People will need email software every single month. So once you make a sale, the person will need it every single year. He will renew the service. So once he renews, you will get that referral commission for the sale also. Okay, this is called upselling, or maybe you will get recurring sales actually. So recurring affiliate commissions. So you will sell the product only once, but until and unless the customer, the person whom you have referred, the person uses this services, you will get n number of time depending upon the customers. Okay, and as long as the person uses the services. So this is a very good option for in front of you guys. You can join Share a Sale. Also, I'll keep all the links in the description so that you can find, you can just visit the website, and at least you can make your mind to join any of the network. And according to me, you can join every single network, and most important part is to spreading, to promoting the links. I will come to that point later part of this video. Make sure you watch the whole video, because I'll give you the strategies how I promoted my affiliate links. Okay, from different resources. I'll tell you every single thing. Fourth affiliate marketplace is Commission Junction, CJ.com. So CJ.com is very renowned, and they are in the market from very long time. Okay, in CJ.com, in Commission Junction, you will find a different kind of promoters, different kind of marketers, different kind of offers. In Commission Junction, you will get various options. Various, if you go for any niche, maybe health, wealth, business, then relationship, then a lot of niches are there. Okay, so in commission junction you will find every single thing in one place. It's a very good affiliate network. You can join. I have given the link in the description as well. You can just check it out and at least go for the partners with whom they are partner, and at least you can understand the capabilities, the strength of that particular network. You can have some basic idea. Fifth and very beautiful marketplace is Max Bounty. In Max Bounty, you will get a commission for every single sign-ups. You don't have to make any sale or something like that. Actually, Max Bounty is CPA. Like there are two types of affiliate products. One is CPS, cost per sale, and one is CPA, cost per action. So initially in Max Bounty you will get some programs like maybe a survey, or maybe a game testing, downloading a game, maybe a survey, anything, or maybe something where people enters their login ID, sorry, email ID, or maybe some address, anything. So once any visitor, any of your visitor shares their information, their phone number, or maybe their email address, then you will get a commission for that leads. So initially they have $2, $5 per lead. And if you can generate, for example, you have Instagram profile, and in Instagram profile at least you can see 100 people are joining every single day on that particular profile. Out of that, if 20 people are signing up on that link, and for example you are getting paid of $5 per lead, then you can make say make commission of $100 every single day, just from one account, one Instagram profile, from one offer which is of $5. Okay, so this is very simple. And people, you don't have to worry if people buys or not buys, doesn't matter. If they have given their informations like phone number, address, or maybe in some CPA offers, some maybe something, maybe their location, or maybe they have downloaded the app, maybe they have given the email address, whatever, depending upon the product, depending upon the niche, depending upon the category as well. So if people takes any action on that particular offer, you will get recognition. This is so easy. It's, you don't have to make any sale, you have to just generate leads for them and you will get paid for the leads. This is so simple. So these are all were my best recommendation to join as a beginner. Once you are once you, at least once you have a potentiality to sell, to market, to promote your products, then you can join different other high ticket products as well. So make sure initially, like if I talk about promoting, you can promote in several other ways. For example, you are selling some weight loss products, you can join several groups on Facebook which is related to your niche. Okay, so initially you have to, for example, if anyone has asked any question on that particular page, or on that particular group, like how to lose weight or how to lose my belly fat, you can give them some informations like how they can reduce their belly fat, or how they can gain weight or lose weight, whatever. After that you can recommend your product, and they have it is, if you directly post Amazon or Clickbank or some other links, maybe Facebook will ban that link, but there are a lot of workarounds. You can, if you are promoting affiliate links, maybe you can profile, sorry, maybe you can promote Amazon affiliate links directly, but in Facebook you cannot directly promote Clickbank links. And we have different other ways as well. Okay, so you can initially go for Facebook groups, and Facebook groups are so much engaging, and people are asking their people are coming to find the solution. And if you are giving them solution and recommending a product, then people will buy from you. Apart from Facebook groups, you can join different other question answer sites like Quora, or maybe Yahoo question and answer, maybe warrior.com. There are plenty of question answer website where you can find people who are facing issues, okay, which you are promoting. Maybe if you are promoting any hosting offer, those people who wants to build their website, okay, so initially you can reach out to them. Like if anyone asked you how to build my website, or I need a developer, I need a website designer, whatever. Okay, so initially what you can do, you can give them some steps or just help by making a Skype call or whatever. But after that you can promote your affiliate links, and you can set up like what I did. I'll tell you one of my secret strategy. Initially when I was starting promoting my hosting offers, I used to go to there is one site, I forgot the name. Anyways, something like Twitter, okay, where it was community, kind of community for developers or bloggers. I got that idea from there. So if I need to promote my hosting offers, I need to reach out to those people who need a website. Okay, so initially what I did in my case, I used to ask them, if you need a website, I'm a website developer, you can hire me. Simple fact. It's just to the point. You are conversating business up to in a business level. Okay, or else you can do one thing. If you buy from this so and so link, this is my affiliate link, I'll get commission of $60, by which I'll set up your website for free of cost. And it's a win-win situation. You will need a website, I'll set up your WordPress website by using a free theme or anything, any other themes if I have. Sometimes what I did, I gave some of premium themes depending upon the customer. Okay, so this is how I promoted initially. You can use Twitter, you can use Quora, you can use different other question answer websites, as even including Facebook, even Instagram also people are promoting their affiliate links. So this is so easy actually. So if you don't know how you can promote, there are a lot of ways. Maybe you can give a free ebook. Okay, and in ebook you can integrate your affiliate links. Whenever anyone downloads the free ebook, they will find your affiliate link, and if they buys from you, you will get commission. There are plenty of ways to promote affiliate network, affiliate links, or earning a very good amount of money from affiliate marketing. So in this channel, I'll teach you different strategies, different ways to make money online, working from home, and maybe it will help you to create a very good balance sheet, create a very good financial balance in your life. In this channel, I teach people how to make money online, how to build passive income, how to make a good amount of financial balance at the end of the month. So till then, be happy, take action, and you will have a good amount of money if you just take action on any of the plan which I have shared in this particular video. And there are a lot of videos which I have created in this channel. You can go to my videos as well, and you can see different strategies, different process, different ways by which you can make money online. So till then, be happy, stay blessed, work hard, party hard.